What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to unlock the Ninebot Max G2 scooter here right now in 2026. It's also valid in 2027 and any other years. So actually that's only one method that's working now in June 2026. It's controller replacement. So already ordered controller from AliExpress. The link I will leave in the description below. It should be unlocked. Let's check the maximum speed. So I guess it's 35 kilometers per hour, maybe more. Let's check it out. And in general, it's very simple to do it, so it will take maybe 10 minutes to replace it. Just follow my video. I will show you briefly what to do. You need to have the special screwdriver here. So to open the scooter, you need to have CRVT20. You can Google it. This naming, so as you see, special one in the hole in front. And let's do step by step. So first I disable the scooter, put it in a more careful position and show you what to do next. Okay, now so I put it in the most convenient position for me. So now let's dismantle all the screws here to reach the controller. So it's pretty simple, just unscrew all the screws here. So let's do it. Okay, so it's done. As you see, here is a battery. It's actually quite huge battery, 36 volts, 551 watt hour, and the controller is located over there. So I will zoom right now to the controller and let's replace it. Okay, so here I have an already unlocked controller. Now let's put out this controller and connect that one. Follow it very closely, so all the things should be on their places. Let's do it. So first let's disconnect from here those connectors. One. That's actually most important. Two. Three. This one is even sticked. 4. Okay, those 4 disconnected. Now charging port. And from this side you have this wires here. Put it out. Then you can reach the special things to unstick it, because it's also with several screws here, so you need to unscrew them. Let's try which one. Okay, this fit, but need something longer. Okay, unfix it here and put it out. Okay, it's out. As you see, now disconnect all the other wires here. See, even here are the colors, and let's unscrew all of them. Okay, so all the screws are here. Now let's use a new controller. Actually, that's the new controller. So first you need to put those things from old controller to new controllers. That's pretty simple to do. Okay, so it's transferred to a new controller. Now let's screw it back. So here we have all on the side. One, two, three. For the German version, the maximum speed is 20 kilometers per hour. Actually, 22 I can reach on this scooter, but now let's try to get maximum out of it, because the engine allows to get much more. So I don't know whether you see here one screw from this side and maybe from this side. Okay, you see it here. It's the second screw, so I've already done it. Then let's connect all other parts back. Okay, now what you should do before assemble it back, put back these things, put everything inside and don't put it back. First, just test it out whether it's working or no before assemble everything back. So I already put like this, so connected everything, test it. Now let's take the scooter up and test the speed. Okay, so before dismantling I put it up. You see I put the wheel up as well. So now let's spin the wheel and test the maximum speed in the sport mode. Oh guys, it's 50 kilometers per hour, so around 50. As you see, it's already break it. So it's up to 50 kilometers per hour. So now I guess it's percentage showing. Let's test an eco mode. 25, still fast. And in drive 32, so it's insanely 32. Then you have, so in drive mode you have 32, in a sport mode you have 50 kilometers per hour, which is really insane and really fast for the scooter. So let's put everything back and mount it, and then it's done. I will show you how to do it now. Okay, so I actually clean it and now I fully screw it in, and as you see it's fit perfectly, so just tight everything, and basically that's pretty it, how you can easily unlock your scooter right now 2026. Again, the link for the controller I have a link in the description below. If you want to support my channel you can always find the links below here. Put the thumbs up and see you next time.